أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
Sura Fusilat. Verses 37 to 46 highlight Allah's oneness through signs of His power in the heavens and the earth. Those who distort the message of the Quran are sternly warned. Additionally, one of the objections raised by the deniers of the Quran is addressed, offering a clear and logical response to refute their claims.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم ومن آياته الليل والنهار والشمس والقمر لا تسجدوا للشمس ولا للقمر واسجدوا لله الذي خلقهن إن كنتم إياه تعبدون.
And among His signs are the night and the daylight, and the sun and the moon. Do not prostrate to the sun or the moon, rather, prostrate to Allah alone, who created them all, if it is truly Him alone you worship.
فإن استكبروا فالذين عند ربك يسبحون له بالليل والنهار وهم لا يسأمون.
But if they show arrogance, and still turn away, then ignore them, for those angels who are near to your Lord glorify Him by night and by day, and they never grow weary. This is a verse of prostration. Let's prostrate here.
ومن آياته أنك ترى الأرض خاشعة فإذا أنزلنا عليها الماء اهتزت وربت.
And among His signs is that you see the land barren and lifeless. Then, when we send down water upon it, it stirs and swells with life.
إن الذي أحياها لمحيي الموتى إنه على كل شيء قدير.
Indeed, the one who bring it to life shall surely give life to dead. Indeed, He is powerful over all things.
إن الذين يلحدون في آياتنا لا يخفون علينا.
Indeed, those who distort the meaning of our verses are not hidden from us.
أفمن يلقى في النار خير أم من يأتي آمنا يوم القيامة اعملوا ما شئتم إنه بما تعملون بصير.
Who is better, the one who will be thrown into the fire of hell, or the one who will come secure on the day of resurrection? O disbelievers, do whatever you wish, indeed, He is fully aware of all that you do.
إن الذين كفروا بالذكر لما جاءهم وإنه لكتاب عزيز.
Indeed, those who disbelieved in the reminder in the form of the Quran, when it came to them are the losers, for indeed, it is a mighty book, of great worth and honor.
لا يأتيه الباطل من بين يديه ولا من خلفه تنزيل من حكيم حميد.
Falsehood cannot approach this book, neither from its front, nor from its behind. It is a revelation from Allah, the All-Wise, the Most Praiseworthy.
ما يقال لك إلا ما قد قيل للرسل من قبلك إن ربك لذو مغفرة وذو عقاب أليم.
O Prophet, whatever has been said to you, is same as what was said to all the messengers before you. Indeed, your Lord is the possessor of forgiveness, but He is also the possessor of painful punishment.
ولو جعلناه قرآنا أعجميا لقالوا لولا فصلت آياته أأعجمي وعربي.
And if we had made this Quran in a non-Arabic language, they would have said, why are its verses not explained clearly in Arabic? Would Allah send His book in a non-Arabic language while the messenger is an Arab?
قل هو للذين آمنوا هدى وشفاء والذين لا يؤمنون في آذانهم وقر وهو عليهم عمى.
Say to them, for all those who believe in it, this Quran is a guidance and a healing for them. But for those who do not believe, there is deafness in their ears, and a blindness cast over them.
أولئك ينادون من مكان بعيد.
As though they are being called from a far-off place, unable to hear and unable to see.
ولقد آتينا موسى الكتاب فاختلف فيه ولولا كلمة سبقت من ربك لقضي بينهم.
And indeed, we gave Moses the book of Torah, but disputes also arose therein, whether it was truly from Allah. And if it had not been for a word that had already gone forth from your Lord, their matter would have been decided between them.
وَإِنَّهُمْ لَفِي شَكٍّ مِّنْهُ مُرِيبٍ.
They who do not believe in Quran are in grave doubt amounting to suspicion about it.
مَنْ عَمِلَ صَالِحًا فَلِنَفْسِهِ وَمَنْ أَسَاءَ فَعَلَيْهَا وَمَا رَبُّكَ بِظَلَّامٍ لِلْعَبِيدِ.
And whoever does a righteous deed, does it for the good of his own soul. And whoever does an evil deed, it is against his own soul. And your Lord is never unjust to his servants.